Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Crosses a Level Crossing. I'm your host Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at the Parlour gate level crossings on the West England Main Line and the South Western Main Line over there. We just have a gate, no alarms, no lights, and then just some wood on the track. Let's cross. So let's have a look at the swimmel. So here we are on the South Western Main Line section. We've got sign there and then the gate to the Parlour gate level crossings. This is the other side of the South Western Main Line section. So analysing the crossing, we've got some ankle breakers, I like to call them here, because there's a third rail, so there's a lot more protection there. And then you've got your normal signs, no wigwags, no alarms. You've got the up line there, the down line there. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Boom Crosses a Level Crossing. Remember to stay alert and look out for trains.